Hello Top Notch family, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee Michelle with Top Notch Designs, and today we're going to go over a quick tutorial on how to replace a pin that is missing from the bottom of your zipper on this one, and a bottom stop that's missing from the bottom of your jacket on this one. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to need is some needle nose pliers, mini or regular size, some mini wire cutters, mini or regular size, and some zipper top stop removers, a bottom stop, a pin, and a lighter. This video is not for kids because of the lighter. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll do this one first. So as you can see, the bottom stop is missing, so we cannot zip the jacket on this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our needle nose pliers. We're going to take our lighter. We are going to light this plastic to warm it up. We're going to give it a good pinch. We are going to take our bottom stop. You want to fit these grooves and slide it in here. So we're going to do like so. And we're going to push it all the way up until it's touching the bottom of the coils. Then we're going to take our zipper stopper pinchers and we're going to give it a pinch right there and right on the sides right here. And we're going to pinch that really good. We're also going to take our needle nose pliers and give it a nice pinch because we want to ensure that that's on there. And that, give it a little tug to see. Feels like it's on there pretty good. So then you're just going to push it down and zip it up. And there you have it. That is how you replace a bottom stop on a zipper that is missing a bottom stop. This only works for coil zippers and AquaGuard or waterproof zippers. Next we have our second jacket, which is missing the pin on this side. And as you can see, it has the bottom stop on this side, so we need to do the pin. And to do so, you're going to take your lighter, just like you did the other one. You're going to light it, and then you're going to pinch it with the needle nose pliers to pinch that plastic so while it's warm. You're going to take these grooves and you're going to slide it into your zipper like so until it touches the bottom of your coils here. Then you're going to take these pliers here and you're going to give it a pinch at the edge of it because you want to lock this in there to ensure that doesn't come off. And then you're going to just pull just to see it's nice and tight. You can give it a little pinch on this end if you want. I like to use these to pinch that in and just kind of pinch it, pinch, pinch. You're going to take your zipper. You're going to zip it up. You're going to give it a little tug, not yank it, just a little tug, and there you have it. That is it. That is all you need to replace your pin on a zipper that's missing the pin and a bottom stop on a zipper that is missing the bottom stop. That is all for your quick tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, we thank you for watching and we hope you have a top-notch day. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye for now.